Morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Asiatun. I am 43 years old. My birthday is 7 April 1982. I come from Brebes, Central of Java, Indonesia. I am married. I have two children. My last education is junior high school. I am Muslim. My height is 157 cm. My weight is 43 kg. I have experienced work before in Hong Kong 3 years 6 months, Malaysia 2 years and Taiwan 3 years. My job is cleaning the house, take care of the children, cooking, ironing and marketing. I can handle the pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I can cook Chinese food, for example, fried rice, fried noodles, chicken rice, chicken soup, porridge, steamed fish, and steamed egg. I want to go to Hong Kong because I need more money for my family and my future. I promise to be a good mate, be honest, obedient, and hardworking until finish the contract 4 years or more. I am finished introduced, ma'am, sir. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.